Good evening everybody, and once again welcome back to your channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can leverage Hudi streamer to ingest data from any sources, in this example Parquet, into Hudi tables, but we'll also learn how to sync the metadata with DataHUB. Now DataHUB is pretty popular. I'm sure you guys know what it is, but for people who do not know, well, I just wanted to show you this website. Well, DataHUB is the #1 open source metadata platform. DataHUB is an extensible data catalog that enables data discovery, data observability, and federated governance to help tame the complexity of your data ecosystem. Of course, we'll get started in a second right now, but I wanna show you this quick UI. DataHUB has a very beautiful UI. As you can see, this is a demo UI. You can search through your catalog. You can discover data. There's a tab for govern, right? So yeah, pretty cool. So now probably let's learn how to get started. So I'll spin up DataHUB using Docker. So let's get started with the spinning up DataHUB using Docker. Alright, so let's spin up DataHUB on your computer, right? So quick note, again, you need Python 3.8 and further version for this, and make sure when you're doing it, at least give 16 GB of memory to your Docker containers, right? A good amount of memory. So yeah, installing this is a piece of cake. All you need is just 3 commands: pip python 3 -f pip install upgrade pip will setup tools, and then you're gonna install Acrel DataHUB, and then simple DataHUB Docker quick start. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending upon your speed of computer, because it has to spin a lot of containers, right? So I'm here and I'm simply gonna paste a command, and you will see that all those containers are gonna start. As you can see, it's spinning up all these containers now. Okay, so let me pause the video because this is gonna take a while, and I'll resume once all the containers are in the running state. Alright, so it took a while to spin those containers up, but as you can see, it's finally up and running. And I need to go to HTTP localhost 9002. So let me go to my Chrome. That's the browser I use. And you can start with the username as DataHUB, and the password is DataHUB2. Sign in. And here you will see this beautiful UI. If I can expand this a little bit. Let me see. Yep, there you go. Let me see if I can expand this Chrome window. All right, that should be good enough. Yeah, beautiful UI, right? As you can see over here. Now, let's see how we can get started with Hudi streamer, right? That's what we want to learn. So for this, you need 2 jar files. So first, go ahead and download the sample dataset from Google Drive. So if you want to do this lab with me, hopefully you're following, go to this URL and you will get 2 Parquet files. Download these 2 Parquet files in the current working directory. As you can see, under sample data, I have these 2 sample Parquet files. Again, I have given the Google Drive links to you. You can go ahead and download it. Then you need 2 jar files. One is Hudi utilities -slim-bundle _ 2.12 0.14 jar, and then Hudi DataHUB sync bundle -0.14.0 jar. Remember, they both version have to match, okay? So I just wanted to make sure I explain you that, okay? Now we're gonna ingest data from a Parquet into Hudi transactional data lake. Let's take a look at it. Class org.apache.hudi.utilities.streamer.hudi streamer. We provide in the Spark bundle package, as you can see over here. Jar, I gave the jar file, the Hudi DataHUB sync bundle jar over here. This is the jar for the Hudi streamer, as you can see over here. Table type is going to be copy on write. Method is going to be upsert. My Delta streamer is going to be operating in the upsert mode. I'm just deleting my silver folder here. Okay. Sync tool. Okay. Sync tool would be org.apache.hudi.sync.datahub.datahub sync tool. Okay. And then I pass in all the configuration through the prop file. Over here, open up the prop file just to show you. Simple. This is the URI where my DataHUB is running, localhost 8080. The Hive database is going to be default, and the table name is going to be invoice. Straightforward, right? Nothing difficult here so far. All right, so now I would basically cd into this directory. Let me do that. Just want to get so I'm going to do pwd. Let me copy this. I'm going to open my terminal, cd, okay, and then I'm gonna expand it because I know people watch from phone. So I want to make sure the font size is visible. I'm gonna set my Java home. I just gonna do that quickly. All right, now we are ready to fire the streamer. Okay, so over here, I'm gonna copy this command, Spark submit command. Go to terminal. Make sure I'm in the current working directory. So it's gonna be cd e1. All right, so here you can see I have my sample data set, I have my Spark configuration, the jar files, and the Hudi prop files, okay? All right, let's fire this up. So I'm running the streamer right now. So this will ingest the data from sample Parquet into Hudi data lake, into our local machine, of course. So it should be completed in a couple of seconds at this point. All right, and it's complete. Now let's head over to DataHUB. I come here, right? I refresh. I see two data sets. I click on the data set. I can search. I can of course type here. I can see Hudi over here. Lovely. I click on the drop down. I see two databases, default and MyDB. I'm gonna click on default. I can see my table invoice. Beautiful. The streamer has synced the metadata. As you can see, I see all the columns over here, right? As you can see over here, you can add description. You can add tags as well. You can create custom tags. This is a bronze layer, so I added a tag called bronze, right? You can create a sample tag. So for example, my tag, you can say create tag. You can just say, oops, my tag. You can create it, and then you can see I have my tag over here, right? You can tag it, right? You can also add owners. Who's the owner for this, right? You can add that as well. So there's a lot you can do. Documentation, here you can add documentation. You can add photos, right? You can click on edit. Here you can see you can add text items, you can add photos, you can add links. It's pretty beautiful. I really, really loved it, okay? Lineage, here you will see your data lineage, of course, right? Properties, here you will see the last commit sync time over here. That's that. Queries, I don't know, I think I have one. So I created a sample query. So for example, you can save all the important queries over here, right? So for example, if I can probably click on this and show you, let me see. Yeah, so here you can see you can add a query, you can add information about what that query is, right? So hopefully you got an idea. So yeah, that's about DataHUB. Just wanted to show you, just wanted to give you a quick start. Of course, you can go to analytics. Here you will see all your analytics, of course, right? Ingestion, if you go to ingestion, here you can add more sources, as you can see over here, right? I think I'll conclude the video over here. Yeah, from here, feel free to play, feel free to, explore more if needed. So I hope you enjoyed a quick start guide on DataHUB. I hope I made your process easier. All I ask in return is a simple like and share the video with your coworkers and colleagues. With that being said, if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to comment on the video. If you do not listen from me, probably feel free to join the Slack community because you're gonna meet a lot of like-minded people there. Well, that's all I have. Keep smiling, keep programming, and I would see you in the next video.